Hey y'all, hope everybody's good. Man, remember I talked about, I don't know, a couple videos ago about all the trees been down and stuff? I ain't kidding y'all, I probably got, God, I don't know, 30 trees down. So I just got out of the shower. I've been out there all day cutting up another one. They're big trees too. It's just, my God, it's just humid out there when it ain't raining. It's just rough, but kind of fun too, you know, kind of, I don't know, farm stuff. It's just, I don't know. I get tired though, man. I get tired of it. And then tonight, I just texted my son. We got, so I live in this little tiny town, right? I mean, it's real small. We only have a gas station, the market, and the little restaurant. It's all one thing, and that's all we got in our town. That's it. I mean, we're 30 minutes away from Walmart and the big cities and stuff like that, but they got the big steak night tonight. You know, that's kind of the big to-do. Everyone meets up out there, and that'd be kind of fun. You know, they cook us some. We're all cattle country out here, so they're pretty good steaks and stuff. So we're looking forward to that. I'm gonna do a couple topicals. Probably back to back, and then we'll get back into some Germany and stuff, and go from there. I'll see y'all. All right, more birds. I like the birds. Mozambique. These are big stamps right here, ain't they? Ostrich. You know, I remember when I used to collect coins, there was I couldn't afford it. It was, I was collecting German coins, coincidentally, but it was a German New Guinea coin. I couldn't afford it, but it had a picture of a bird like this with a long tail feather on it. I always wanted to, I wish I would have, well, I couldn't afford it. You can't afford it, you can't afford it, right? Probably pretty rare now, I imagine. I don't know. Well, look at this little fella. Oh, these are, I don't know what the deal on them was. They're self-government, so I guess this is when British colonial, it was a British colony and they turned it over to them, I guess. Oh, here's a dodo bird. Look at there. Right? I wish they were still kicking. Funny looking birds. These are cool. These look like doves or something. We call it the bunkhouse on our property. It's a separate house down there. My nephew and his wife live in there, but they got a dove nest. It's nested in this thing 3 times, but it's not gun shy because it's like, I mean, it's 6 feet off the ground they got an awning porch, and it nested up underneath there. It's kind of neat. They get big too, the babies. That's cool looking. Little tiny hawk. A little bit of everything here. Cardinals, we have these here. That's neat looking flamingo. It's pretty. It's so funny. I got a nephew of mine, Sean. Like, he's a grown young man now. He's got his own life going and stuff. But when he was a little boy, I told his daddy, I said, Jimmy, I want to get Sean something special for Christmas, right? And he's a little kid. He goes, I said, what do you want? What does he want? He goes, I'll check it out and I'll let you know. So he calls me up. He goes, you ain't gonna believe this. I said, what? He goes, he wants a pink flamingo. I'm like, what? What are you talking about? He goes, he wants I said, a real one? He goes, no, he wants a pink flamingo. So I told my wife, we're at Lowe's, and I'm thinking about a pink flamingo like those yard ornaments, like an idiot. My wife's like, no, dummy. So we ended up getting them, it was one of them beanie babies or beanie bears or whatever, were real hot and popular. So we got him the pink flamingo of that, and he was jazzed up pretty good. This is a cool looking stamp. Look at this. That's kind of pretty. Boy, that's a beautiful stamp. Huh. Boy, some of these countries do a real good job on them, don't they? Micronesia. These are cool. Pelican. Is that guineas? My next door neighbor's got, they're called guinea hens. Look them up. Farms will get them they're real good for bugs and ticks, and they're like watchdogs. They alert when something's not normal. Well, that's a problem in itself, because these things, we're all spread out pretty good out here, but those things are squawking, man. They're funny too. Whenever I see his truck going down the road, they're running after him like it looks like the road runner chasing them and stuff. It's a pretty set with the background like that. Oh, these are pretty. I like these. Pretty neat. Souvenir sheets make them cool. Boy, I like the peacocks too. I think they're so beautiful. We had a neighbor that had them. Well, it wasn't like our right next door neighbor. It was in the neighborhood somewhere. And the first time I heard the damn things, it sounds like a child screaming at first. But they ended up come cruising around the neighborhood. You go out in the backyard, have a cup of coffee, and there's 7, 8 peacocks. Kind of funny, You'd think for Monaco being such a wealthy country or city or whatever the heck it is, they'd be doing some of the most incredible stamps you've ever seen. These look good. They're nice. What's this one have to do with Robinson Crusoe? That's kind of, I wonder what the history is on that. That's a little different. Cool. These are cool looking. They look old. They're probably not, but they look neat. They got that old look about them. What this guy's trying to do here. Huh. New Guinea. Kind of cool looking. It's got that bird on there I was talking about. That must be a thing with New Guinea or something. That German New Guinea coin I was talking about. Damn, I wish I would have got that thing. Bugging me out now. I used to collect coins. US and world. I sold actually all my US coins. I kept most of my world coins. My God, these things will give you a little vertigo looking at them damn things. Oh, that's that little kiwi fella, right? Isn't that a kiwi? Cuter than hell. You know, it's funny, the older I get, the more I mean, like, we got these damn groundhogs out here, and most ranchers and farmers out here, they're running lots of cattle. Well, they dispatch them, you know, and the reason they do is because they're burrowing big holes, and you got a cattle's going across, it'll break its leg, then, you know, you just lost several $1,000s of beef. So that's why they do it. They don't do it just to do it, you know what I mean? Well, hell, I feed the damn things out here. I give them leftover vegetables. I've named them and stuff. They ain't hurting me none. And we don't have cattle on my property, but they all poke fun of me out here. Nah, I don't care. Live and let live. That's what I say. Damn, these are some big old honking stamps. I know they're known, the Mongolians are known for riding them little horses and hunting with eagles or hawks. They do something with them. I'm not sure exactly what. These are all big old stamps. Oh, Mongolian too. I don't think they got no penguins in Mongolia. I don't know. Maybe they do. I don't know. This is them showing right here what I was just talking about. There's a Mongolian on a horse, and he's got his hawk or eagle getting a fox. That's what they do over there. I've seen videos on it. It's pretty interesting watching it. Huh, look at these. I'm a German collector for people that are just topical collectors, and there's the polar fart. I got these. That's a rare stamp. That's a rare zeppelin stamp. How funny. I don't know what these are. I think they're Russian zeppelin stamps. That's kind of cool. I like that. Huh. It's funny that they specifically went with the overprint one too, not just the regular Graf Zeppelin stamp. You know what I mean? We got a goose out here, white goose. So I got ducks out here, so I feed them. And I feed them in the morning. And this goose is such an asshole to me. You know, I feed the damn thing, and he's an ass. I'll be out there I feed them though, but God, a little thank you or something once in a while probably wouldn't be bad. I mean, the ducks are real friendly, you know. Montserrat. I wonder how many different species of birds there are. Got to be a butt ton. This is what them guinea hens kind of look like right there. A little bit. If you're liking it, please subscribe and like to my channel. Need to keep it going. These are different, New Zealand. Leave me a comment too. These are cool looking. Well, these are all kind of neat. They look old. What's that, kiwi? It's funny looking right here. Kind of cool looking. Oh, this is a Boy Scouts. I found, shoot, I did that one book on Boy Scouts. I found 2 more books. So I gotta go through those too. I thought I only had 1 book. Oh well. Oh, this is all New Zealand. There's a big old picture of that kiwi. That's not the, there he is right there. Like my neighbor's dog, Sam. He's funny, man. We'll be sitting there drinking beer, you throw a rock. So we got wise, so we throw a rock in the creek, in the mud, and that dog will go and go and go and try to dig that damn thing up. It's ridiculous, for hours. Little predicament going on here. Whoa, these are different. That's a cool souvenir sheet. So is this one. Oh, it's New Zealand still. Those are super cool. Look at that. Wow, these are neat. I like those, how they did that. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this is, South Wales. That dude needs a haircut right there. That's cool. Toucans. I always like them. This bald eagle. Love it. Oh, that's pretty. Just had a hummingbird in the shop earlier today. I had to scoot them out. They get trapped in there and they try to go out by going up, and they can't get out by going up. So we got like a net thing and scoop them and get them outside. They're neater than hell. I think the hummingbird has the fastest. I think they got two things. They got the fastest. Well, there's three things. They got the fastest wing beat. They have the smallest egg, and I think they're the only bird that can fly backwards. How's that for some hummingbird logic? Oh, there's a toucan again. Cool. Huh. So I was telling you guys when we were in, I don't know if I told you, we were down in Costa Rica one time, and me and the son are in the pool, and I see my wife over somewhere, she's getting us some drinks or something. All of a sudden I hear her scream, and she's running, and here's this big ass iguana chasing her. Well, I started laughing, you know, because it was kind of funny. I wish I would have had a video camera or something. Spoonbill. Oh, I like these little red pandas, man. It's probably my sixth favorite animal. I think they're so funny. Oh. Peacocks. Peacocks are cool. There's like big sheets here. Oops, sorry. Yep, this is what I was talking about. Remember I was talking earlier on that German coin? That's exactly what that bird is. Whatever the heck it is, it must be native to New Guinea. It was German New Guinea coin. It was a German coin, and it had a picture of that bird on there, and it was just beautiful. I forget how much it was, but obviously I couldn't afford it at the time. More jumbo stamps. Puffins are cool. Well, that's a really bright red flamingo. We got a guy down here. He just moved here. He bought, I don't know, he bought David Adcock's brother's farm, and he's putting wild animals out there. I mean, to an extent, but he's gonna have giraffes out there. He's gonna have camels out there. I guess he's gonna raise them and sell them or something. I don't know. It's kind of funny. I ain't raising no giraffes or camels. Oh, Tin Can Island. I remember Graham did a, from Exploring Stamps, when he was making those videos, and he did one on Tin Can Island. That was really, really interesting. that's about it. Alrighty, I'm probably gonna do one of my animal ones. I might get into the Boy Scout ones afterwards. I'm not sure. We'll see. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Leave me a comment. This is book 4. See how I labeled those? And I've got, God, I don't know. Well, I just did that owl one, so I got 5 more of these to do. So, all right, everybody be good. I'll do another one. See ya.